In this tutorial, we'll be expanding our previous Hello World example to include a new functionality, chat. BYOND, by default, includes the capability for multiple users to log in and interact with each other in your world. The first thing we'll need to do is instruct your users that are already logged into your world when people log in and when people log out. To do this, we'll need to use the client container and edit two pre-existing procedures to display our message. So let's type our code now. First we need to open the client, after we go back a bit. Client, need to call the new procedure. This is called whenever a new client is created, or for example when you log in. Now, the first thing we need to do in the new procedure is call the parent. Calling the parent makes sure that the default actions are done before it does what we need it to do. So we return again, and we type in our message to the world. We go world, output, source has logged in. Now this is something new for you. This is what we call an embedded expression. It's inside these brackets. Embedded expressions are what is used to access variables from within text strings. And you'll learn more about these later. So let's move on to the del command. Go there. Del, again call the parent, and let's output the data to the world. Again, embedded expression, source has logged out. And that's it. If we try compiling now, you'll see that there's no errors down here. Now let's try running, see what it says. And there you go, it says hello world and Azza has logged in, and that's me. Now, I'm going to quit. Normally it would say Azza has logged out, but I'm not in there anymore, so I can't see that. So now let's move on to the chat command. The chat command is going to be a verb within mob. So we need to open the mob container, open verb. This is what we need to do whenever we create a new verb. So we're telling the compiler that we need to create a new verb by using that. I'm going to call it say. Open parenthesis. Now within these parentheses here, you need to basically define any arguments you need to include in your verb. Our argument is going to be t as text, which means t, our variable name, is going to be saved as a text string. So we go into this verb that we're just making. Now we don't really need to do much except output t, our text, to the world. So we say world, output, source, semicolon, t. And as you can see, we included t in another embedded expression. So we return, we compile, no errors, and we run. And there you go, as you can see there's a say command up here. Click that, type in your message, click OK, and it will pop up. And down here in the command bar you can also type in say yourself, space, and it will automatically add this little quotation there for you, and you'll say hello, spell it right, again. And there you go, that's it. And that's your Hello World chat program.